Hello everyone. Today we discuss about big data analytics. itech1103 presentation group team members. Our names are Navdeep Kaur, Navjeet Kaur and Navdeep Kaur. This side Navdeep Kaur, and now we divided into sub groups, and the first one we will discuss about the SaaS introduction, and the SaaS is the high-class big data analytic tools. It has the ability to process the data and drive various conclusive facts in the large organization. These facts can be identified and drawn for the quality decisions. All the large organizations are using SaaS-based analysis for having different levels of decisions. There are a large number of features of SaaS which help senior decision managers to take long-term statistics decisions. So now the main topics are data set. Data set contain the detailed information about the patients, hospital records, number of people infected by diseases, and other related information. Now analysis of the available information with help of SaaS will help the hospitals to improve their decisions making. Now data dictionary of the dataset, admit date, DRG, API code, race CD. These are the data sets which we include the rows and columns, different country names, department, gender, hospital, state code, these are. So patients count with respect to the genders are male and female. This side male and this side females, and males are 61537 and 80465 females. So patients diagnostic categories AMI, CHF and COPD. The most and least most diagnosis groups are unspecified organisms, and the lists are near organisms unsatisfied, and we can say unspecified congestive heart and failure, chronic, acute, exacerbation, bleed. So the next one is the department-wise patient distribution. There will be shown a pie chart. Pie chart 142 crore department, heart, journal, medical, halls, and the oncological, transplant, and others. So frequency of department, you can see how much, and the production of a patient using decision tree algorithm. The tree algorithm is a patient decision tree. Patient is and ASI 1729504, observation used 142002, create pipelines. You can see the and geographical situation of a different hospitals, frequency of hospital, Antarctica, and these are so, and clustering of the data using cluster algorithm. Cluster observations use 142002, polylines 500. Hospitals, we can see the hospitals 15, the hospitals 9. These are the number of patients, millions, and cluster ID. So patient numbers 992206106 hospital cluster IDs, and 99219161004. These are, so we can see frequency distribution with the respect to the months, frequency of admit date, and admit date are shown by the graph. So patient count with respect to the gender, frequency percent of the gender, frequency percent 100%, like a female gender and male gender. The females are more than the male. So state-wise distribution of a patient's frequency of state codes, and you can see the frequency, and race-wise distribution, race code like white, black, others 142, and patient count with the respect to the department, gender, medical, heart, hospitals, transplant, other findings. It has been observed that the number of female patients are more than the number of male patients. There are a more number of patients in a black race as compared to the white race. Number of patients are higher for heart and general medicine departments. Majority of the patients are based in the few states. These are the findings, and the conclusions are, you can see the analysis of a different types of parameters for the patient data shows various facts which may be useful for a decision-taking body to step up the initiative to have come corrective actions to improve the situation in all categories. For the worst cases, there requires strong policy decisions for improving the heart patient count, and we can take the references where from the Mune, Jaffer, Manjur, and the Nivasi. You can see this, and thank you so much.